Hello learner, Namaste. I am Pratiksha Satish Takavle. In this, I will discuss you about a floating microspheres. After watching this video, you will be able learner will be able to describe floating microsphere. Recall advantages of floating microspheres. Recall disadvantages of floating microspheres. Explain mechanisms of drug release from the microspheres. Enlist method of preparation of floating microspheres. Let us see introduction to floating microspheres. Floating microspheres are retentive drug delivery system based on non-effervescent approach. Hollow microspheres are in strict sense spherical empty particles without core. These microspheres are characteristically free-flowing powders consisting of proteins or synthetic polymers, ideally having a size less than 1000 micrometer. The floating microsphere have been utilized to obtain prolonged and uniform release in the stomach. Now it's time to reflect and think. There is a question for you. What are advantages of floating microspheres? Pause the video. Think and write down your answers in the notebook. Once you have done, then you can start the video. Then let us see what is the advantages of floating microsphere. Improves the patient compliance by decreasing dosage frequency. Gastric retention time is increased because of buofencing. Drug release in controlled manner for prolonged period. Site-specific drug delivery to stomach can be achieved. Enhanced absorption of drug which solubilize only in stomach. Release of drug uniformly and there is no risk of dose dumping. Then disadvantages of floating microspheres. This requires sufficiently high levels of fluid in the stomach for enabling the stomach to float and to work efficiently. Floating microspheres are not suitable candidates for drugs with stability or solubility problem in the stomach. Example, nifedipine. Drugs with irritant effect on gastric mucosa also limits the applicability of floating microspheres. Then we will discuss mechanism of drug release from the microsphere. First, there is a three types: diffusion, erosion, osmosis. Let's see the diffusion. On the contact with the aqueous fluids in the gastrointestinal tract, water diffuses into the interior of the particle. Drug dissolution occurs and the drug solution diffuses across the release coat to the exterior. Next step is erosion. What happens in erosions? Some coating can be designed to erode gradually with time, thereby releasing the drug contained within the particle. Then last step is the osmosis. In the osmosis, allowing the water to enter under the right circumstances, and osmotic pressure can be built up within the interior of the particle. The drug is forced out the particle into the exterior through the coating. Then we will see methods of preparation of floating microsphere. Ionic glaciation technique, immersion solvent evaporation technique, emulsion solvent diffusion technique, and last spray drying and spray congealing. These are the methods of preparation of the floating microspheres. Thank you.